Today's youth are spending their developmental years indoors, fixated on glowing screens. In these darkened rooms, the physical world outside ceases to exist. Simultaneously, the eastern monarch butterfly is losing its urban habitat to municipal mowing and development, pushing the species toward extinction. We have a generation of kids who are more digitally connected than any before them, yet they are disconnected from the physical ecology right outside their windows. The disappearance of neighborhood biodiversity and the loss of youth digital agency share a common root, a disconnection from the physical world. To address this, iVirtue LLC and the Inwood Butterfly Sanctuary launched the Bridging Tomorrow initiative. iVirtue applies a relationships-first philosophy to underserved youth. They focus on changing how devices are used, rather than simply taking them away. The tablet acts as a creative catalyst, a tool for active discovery in the dirt, rather than a passive consumption trap. But how does giving a fifth grader an AI-powered tablet help save an endangered butterfly? This model moves the student from the role of a consumer to a civic leader, using artificial intelligence as a partner in problem-solving. The program operates in 4 phases. In Phase 1, the observer's lens, students take their tablets outdoors to map local monarch microhabitats. Their first task is locating a specific biological dependency, the common milkweed, the monarch's only host plant. Phase 2 uses AI as a brainstorming buddy. Students learn prompt engineering as a new grammar to analyze the pollinator data they just collected. They become AI detectives using the VITA-VQ protocol. This system validates visual data against physics and botany, calculating a veracity quotient for authenticity. It combats hallucinations by checking for physical proof. If it violates botanical rules, the system rejects it. Teaching AI literacy in the field grounds abstract computational logic in observable reality. It ties the digital output directly to the life of the plant. In Phase 3, Stewardship and Civic Design, students plant native milkweed and nectar flowers to restore the habitats they mapped. This is an intergenerational effort. Kids and parents sit together, co-designing community pollinator pathways. The final phase is Synthesis and Showcase. During family AI nights, students present their ecological findings to community leaders. The work culminates with the physical miracle of metamorphosis, students raising and releasing healthy monarchs back into the neighborhood. This 4-phase model translates technical AI training into tangible community improvement. The Inwood pilot turns students into neighborhood stakeholders. By mapping habitats on their own blocks and presenting findings to officials, participants began to treat public parks as spaces they were personally responsible for. Now, the Wings Without Borders initiative is scaling this model to environmental justice areas across New York City. The project tracks these populations via iNaturalist, aiming to link individual gardens into a network of 50 connected pollinator way stations across the city grid. By integrating with partners like the Northern Manhattan Arts Alliance, the environmental work uplifts local community heritage alongside the science. By combining ethical AI education with grassroots ecology, we don't have to choose between technology and the environment. We can use digital fluency to empower the next generation to heal their own backyards.